So you might have tried to play a random World Cup mode match with random opponents online, and you encountered this error that says, we have detected your squad file does not match that of your opponent, and we have cancelled the match to prevent unfair play. Now, if you have this error, then I'll be showing you how to fix it. So what you want to do is exit the World Cup mode in FIFA 23 and then go to back to the main screen. And from the main screen, go to settings, and then under settings, go to edit teams. And then under edit teams, go ahead and reset all the squads. Because the main problem here is that if you had edited, especially the Brazil squad, there might be conflict between the squads in your FIFA 23 and the squads in FIFA 23 World Cup mode. So once you reset all the squads, you can now go back into World Cup mode. So play modes, World Cup mode. And then now you can go ahead and go to online tournament. Select play match and just follow the normal procedure of selecting your team and search for an opponent. This time you should not get that error once your opponent is found. So that opponent just quit the match, so let's try and look for another one. So let's now search for another opponent.
Hello, it's great to have you with us, and I can tell you there's an
There you go.
extra bit
So
of
there is your
excitement
online
here in the
match
commentary box
with no
today.
error
Derek Ray
message.
with Stuart
And that's
Robson.
basically
We're
how you
ready
can
to bring
fix
you
that error
Brazil
code
against
when playing the World
Argentina.
Cup mode in
My
FIFA
goodness, when you
23.
think about Brazil and
Thanks
Argentina,
for
you
watching.
think, Stuart, about all
Leave
the
your
great
comments and
clashes down
questions
the
down
years.
below,
I was lucky enough to be
and
at the
good luck.
microphone in Turin in 1990.